Hello students, in this tutorial I will show you how to do overlay operation in QGIS, specifically split with lines. So don't skip the videos. If you skip the videos, so definitely you will miss the steps. Okay, so let's start the overlay operation in QGIS. First of all, open the QGIS. First open the QGIS. Yes, the QGIS has been opened. Now see, in the project area, in the layer panel, there are two layers. Okay, first A layer and second layer is C line layer. Okay, so both the layers are not same. A layer shows it is polygon layer and C layer shows a line layer. Okay, so there is one layer as line and one layer as polygon. So if you want to run the vector overlay operation in the QGIS, so first we have to go to processing toolbox. Okay, this is processing toolbox. Then go to the search bar and search again vector overlay. Okay, now it is showing the vector overlay option and there is split with line. Okay, just select it and double click. Now see, there are two options. Okay, first is input layer and second is split layers. So here I am going to put the input layer as polygon. Okay, A layer, just I have given the A layer for input layer. Okay, and split layer will be definitely line layer, because I am doing here to split the polygon layer by using line layer. Okay, I am telling again what is the vector overlay operation I am doing here. That is important. I am doing here polygon layer will be splitted by using the line layer. Okay, because the process is split with lines. Okay, so I am splitting here the polygons, right? So that's why I am taking input layer as polygon and split layer as line. Okay, so I have selected input layer as A, which is polygon, and split layer C line, which is definitely line layer. Okay, so after that, don't go to any other options in this dialog box, just go to run, click here. Okay, now see, our vector overlay operation has been finished. Okay, now I have to check, just check off these two layers. Now see, it was my polygon layer at first. The layer has been divided into two parts. Okay, or the layer has been splitted into two parts. How? The in the polygon layer, see here, one line is created. Okay, right now the polygon has been splitted into two parts. So how to check it? Just go to the select feature by area or single click. Okay, just click here and click anywhere of this polygon. Okay, see here, the part of the whole polygon will be selected. That proves the whole polygon has been splitted, okay, into two parts. If I click here in the left part, it will be selected. If I click here in the right part, it will be selected. So that means the used polygon has been splitted into two parts. Okay, so this is the process of vector overlay operation in QGIS, which shows split with lines. Okay,
thanks for sticking around until the end. If you want more interesting tutorials just like this, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. Don't forget to like and share.